الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين ربنا زدنا علما أجمعين وعلمنا ذكرا آمين. So inshallah, the plan is that we're gonna do mudari, which is the present and future tense, inshallah. But we'll wait. I think we have 2 more people coming. But for now, we'll go over the homework for lesson 5. Okay. And actually, it's a good prelude to what we're going to be doing. So lesson 5, exercise 4, is pointing out or specifying the verb and the subject and the object. So it says, identify the subject and the object in the following sentences. Put 1 line under the subject and 2 lines under the object. And then put like the ending harakats on each one. Okay? So basically, read the sentence and identify the fa'il, the verb, and then identify the fi'l. Okay? And read them all with the correct ending. So, number 1, Bala Afnan.
That's what I was looking for. كسر طفل
الطفل
طفل قلم.
Okay, what does that mean? Actually, so where's the subject?
Subject is الطفل.
Okay, and where's the object?
القلم.
Okay, and what does the sentence say? What's a طفل?
Child.
The child, right? طفل is a child. Or you can say طفل is like a small child. Al-walad or طفل is like similar. So is طفل, is it الطفل, طفلة, طفلي? طفل, right? So it's the subject. So subject is always marfu. Okay, and so the child broke the pen, and al-qalama is the object. So in Arabic, the object is called maf'ulun bihi. So and the object, is it marfu, mansub, or majroor? Mansub. Okay. Further, Najma?
غسلت آمنة المنديل.
Okay. What does that mean?
آمنة cleaned the handkerchief.
Cleaned or washed?
Washed the.
Yeah. So where is the subject?
Okay, subject file is آمنة.
Okay. And the maf'ulun bihi is the
المنديل.
al-mindila, right? Sarah, the next one.
أكل أسامة
Usama.
أسامة عنب
Al-inaba.
العنب
وأكلت.
زوجته
It's 2 words.
وأكلت and then زوجة.
Yeah. The word zawj, it has 2 words in it.
زوجتها.
His wife. How do you say his wife?
زوجته.
Who?
زوجته.
Who? End it with a who.
Who?
Zawjatuhu.
Oh, زوجته.
Yeah.
Okay.
His wife.
Sorry. زوجته. موز.
Al-mawz.
الموز.
Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. What's akala?
Ate.
He ate. So
yeah.
who is the subject in this, the first part? Usama. And what did he eat?
He ate, I don't know what it is.
What's al-inab? It's in the Quran. Grapes.
Grape, okay.
وعنبا وقضبا. So actually this sentence has two verbs, 2 subjects, and 2 maf'ulun bihis. So the first, so you put 1 line under Usama for the subject, 2 lines under al-inab. Is it al-inabu or ba or b? Ba, because it's maf'ulun bihi. Okay, what's the second part said?
وأكلت زوجته الموز.
Al-mawza. What's al-mawz? Banana.
Okay. So his wife ate a banana.
The banana.
The banana.
Okay.
sorry.
So what's the subject
His wife.
in Arabic?
Oh. What is it called?
No, yeah.
term.
Say the subject. If I say
Oh.
what's the fa'il?
The fa'il is zawjatuhu. Zawjatuhu.
Just zawjatu. Okay. So this is zawjatu, who is his wife, right? It's a mudaf ilayhi. Because you're saying zawjatu Usama. Zawjatu Usama, instead of Usama you say him. So mudaf ilayhi, but the subject is just the zawjatu part. Okay, the who is the mudaf ilayhi. And his wife ate the banana. Mr. Shireen?
شربت
Mhm.
البقرة
Mhm.
الماء
Al-ma'a. What does that mean?
she drank
Okay, so in this one, you remember how the huwa and the hiya, their fa'il, the subject is mustatir, it's hidden, but it can be present. Okay? So if it's followed by the fa'il, then you don't say she drank. So what's al-baqaratu? The cow. So the cow is the fa'il, actually. So the cow drank the water. Yeah. So one line under al-baqaratu and two lines under al-ma'a. And why is there a kasra on sharibati? There's a sukoon and a kasra. Which one do you say? Do you say sharibat or do you say sharibati? So this is I think we read this rule. It's called the two sukoons when they meet. So when you have something that ends in a sukoon and the letter that follows it is a hamzatul wasl, like the hamzatul wasl that is in al-baqarah, you skip that hamzatul wasl, right? And then the lam that follows it, is there a sukoon on that one? Yeah, so there's a sukoon on the, let me write it down. Okay. So you have sharibat. So you, originally it's sharibat, right? Because it's she, she, whatever, the cow drank. Okay? So she drank, or a female single is sharibat. Okay? What you have here is you have one sukoon followed by another sukoon, because the hamzatul wasl you skip it, right? If there's something before it. So you're trying to say sharibat, but the next letter is you're supposed to pronounce a lam with a sukoon. So you can't do that because you need something before the sukoon. So what happens is that when you're saying it, you pretend that this ta has a kasra. Or the first sukoon gets a kasra. Okay? So then you can say sharibatil. Sharibatil baqara. And this is called the meeting of the two sukoons. So when the two sukoons meet and they can't be pronounced, then the first sukoon gets a kasra.
It's always like that, right?
Yes, it's always a kasra. And it's always on the first sukoon. Okay? So even though that kasra isn't there, it's pronounced. Okay? Brother Afnan.
حافظ حمزة القرآن.
Finish the Quran, finish the ending on the Quran. Qur'ana. What does that mean?
Hamza memorized Al-Quran.
Okay, where is the subject?
Hamza.
Hamza tu. Okay, and Al-Qur'ana is the maf'ulun bihi. Okay. Brother Nazmu?
Darabat Fatimatu bintuha.
Okay. What does that mean?
Fatima beat her
Or
daughter.
hit. Let's not say beat. She hit.
Hit.
Daraba is one hit.
Okay. Daraba
Yeah.
hit. Okay. Daraba. Okay. Fatima hit her daughter.
Daughter. Okay.
So Fatimatu is 5
Okay.
and bintuha is maful bihi.
So bintuha is two words, right? Her
Bintu.
daughter. Which one is the maf'ulun bihi?
Bint.
Bint. So the maf'ulun bihi, is it marfu, mansub or majrur?
Mansub.
Mansub. So instead of bintuha, it's gonna be
Bintaha.
bintaha.
Oh,
Bintaha. So put a fatha on the ta.
bintaha.
Bintaha. Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Look who it is.
Assalamu
Two
alaikum.
people I thought would never pronounce.
So you guys got new carpet?
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Guys, move
Sprucing up the place.
Guys moving up, inshallah.
you're getting red carpet ovation.
How are you doing, brother?
Alhamdulillah, how you doing?
Good. Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, I was here last time, but what's the name? Brother Matt.
Oh, okay. How are you, brother Anwar? How's your
Alhamdulillah,
thing?
Jazakallah khair.
Good.
A little better.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
Making dua for you.
I found my course too book.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, all the stumps.
Alright, cool. We're doing the exercises on page 32, which is lesson 5.
Number 4.
Yeah, so on Friday I said we're gonna do those, we didn't get a chance, so we're just going over them. So we are on 7, Sister Olia.
قتل الرجل الحياة بالحجر
Hajari.
حجري.
Okay, this one's a little bit tricky. قتل الرجل الحية بالحجر. So what's قتل?
He killed.
He killed. And who is the subject here?
Rajul.
Rajul, right? So the Rajul, the lamb gets a dhamma. All the subjects are marfu. Okay? Where is the object?
Hayyata.
Al-hayya. What's al-hayya?
Snake.
Snake. Al-hayyatu is snake, but instead of hayyatu, it's hayya
Ta.
ta, because it's the object. Okay? What's bil-hajari?
Khabar.
With the rock. Oh.
Okay, yeah, the meaning is with the rock. So with the rock is bil-hajari. What is it grammatically?
Mudaf.
No.
No, that's
What's B?
Oh,
Harf jar, so it's followed by an ism
oh,
majroor. So it's jar wa majroor.
Oh, I thought you were asking about this.
Shibu Jumda.
So the thing is, the point that this sentence is trying to make is that, or I'm trying to make, is that sentences can have verbs and subjects and objects. They can also have prepositions like harf jar. So you can have be, you can have an, you can have ila. So those can be infinite. So in one sentence you can have one subject and one fa'il and one maf'ulun bihi.
Chapter 5.
But you can have bil or ila or ala and keep going on those. And the example that I gave a couple of weeks back was وَرَفَعْنَا فَوْقَكُمْ. So this wasn't exactly a harf jar, this is an adverb, fawqa, right? At-tura, right? At-tura. Rafa'na. Okay? So rafa is the verb. Okay? Verb, where's the subject?
Na.
Na. Okay? And where's the object?
Tura.
At-tura. Okay? So the object. So fawqakum is it's an adverb, fawqakum. But what we're trying to say is that these adverbs, these harf jars, they can come anywhere in the middle of the sentence. Just like in English, right? You don't say like he ate the bread, right? You usually say he ate the bread with soup. So the with soup is like your prepositional phrase. What you should do is that anytime you see a prepositional phrase or like an adverb phrase, just put brackets around it. Because you don't technically need it, the sentence will still make sense without it, right? So if I put brackets around bil hajari and I just took it out, what would the sentence be? قَتَلَ الرَّجُلَ الْحَيَّةَ. Does the sentence still make sense?
Yes.
Yes. So the prepositional phrase, they just add more information to the sentence. So you don't need them, just put parentheses around them.
How do you pronounce it? Hajari?
Bil hajari. So the stone is al hajaru, right? Al hajaru. So when you put the pronoun be, so that actually the be is gonna get stuck to the alif right here. So it's gonna be B right here, and then you're gonna say bil haja. Number 8, Shireen.
Sami'a Bilalun Adana
Al-adhana.
Al-adana Jahab
Dhahaba.
ila al-masjidi.
Okay, what does that mean? Translate. What's sami'a?
Samihi
Heard.
Who heard?
Bilal
Bilal heard
Adhan,
the adhan.
and he went to the masjid.
Okay. So where is the first subject?
Bilalun,
Bilalun, and what's the object?
the Adhan.
Al-adhana. So you put 2 lines under al-adhana. Okay. And then you have another sentence. Wa dhahaba. What's dhahaba? He went to the masjid. So where is the subject for dhahaba?
It's hidden.
It's hidden. Okay. Where is the object?
Masjid.
We said harf jar ism majrur. Put a parentheses around it. It's never going to be the object. Okay. Ila al-masjid is a prepositional phrase. Put parentheses around it. Is there an object in this one?
No.
No.
Okay.
Okay. So you can say dhahaba. You don't need an object. So Tahir, you want to do the next one?
So what did you say? Put parentheses around what?
Ila al-masjid. Anytime you see, I'm just saying this for my, like, I'm just saying so that you can know that this is extra information. You don't need it in the sense. If he just said wa dhahaba, of course it doesn't. It just tells you he went. It doesn't tell you where he went. But
does that still make sense to say Sami'a Bilal al-adhan wa dhahaba?
yeah, because I mean you would just be saying he went. You wouldn't know where he went. But I'm saying you don't need to take it out of the sentence. You just need to know that you put parentheses around it. It's not going to be the object or the subject of the
So
word.
it's ilal masjidi.
Masjidi. It's harf jar, ism majrur.
It's more than common sense. He heard the adhan and where he would be going. Of course, not in the market.
He could be
Maybe-
fasting and he could leave in the masjid.
Or he could be, yeah.
Astaghfirullah, that's...
Or he could be going to the bathroom and make wudu.
Oh, right.
Ooh, is deep.
It's deep for what?
Sir Tahir, do you want to do the next one?
كتب المدرس
Mm-hmm.
الدرس
Mm-hmm.
على السبورة.
Okay, what does that mean?
The teacher wrote lessons.
Mm-hmm. The lesson.
Lesson, okay, الدرس on the board.
Okay, so again, what you're going to do, anytime you see a prepositional phrase, what are you going to put parentheses around?
على
Ala saburati. Okay, this is not part of the homework, but I'm saying for your information or whenever you do something like this, just put parentheses, like this is a prepositional phrase. I'm just going to ignore it for the purpose of the sentence, okay? So where is the subject?
he wrote كتب المدرس, right?
Al-mudarrisu. Al-mudarrisu is the subject, and where is the maf'ulun bihi, the object?
الدرس.
Ad-darsa, okay? And what's ala saburati?
It's in parentheses. It's
Jar majrur. Just say jar majrur. Okay. Alright, brother Ala, number 10.
فتح البقالة الدكان في ساعة 8.
ساعة الثامنة.
الثامنة.
And is it فتح البقالة or فتح البقالو or فتح البقالي?
قالوا.
بقالو, right? Why?
Because it's the subject.
It's the subject, and the subject is always
مرفوع.
Subject is always marfu. And where is the object?
الدكان.
Okay, and what is that? What is فتح البقالو الدكان mean?
I don't actually know what baqal means, but I
What's
think
baqal?
it's the merchant or is
It's like a grocer. So the person who sells like vegetables and stuff.